The World Bank has approved 3 operations in Nigeria totaling $1.08 billion in concessional financing to enhance education quality, build household and community resilience, and improve nutrition for undeserved groups. This includes $500 million in additional financing for the Nigeria Community Action for Resilience and Economic Stimulus (NG-CARES) program, $80 million for accelerating nutrition results in Nigeria and WIN 2.0, and $500 million for Hope for Quality Basic Education for All, Hope Edu. A World Bank press release disclosed that the financing is aimed at expanding support for human capital in Nigeria. The Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN, has reported a substantial improvement in its net foreign exchange reserve (NFER) position as of the end of 2024, reflecting a substantial improvement in the country's external liquidity, reduced short-term obligations, and renewed investor confidence. According to the CBN, the reserve stood at $23.11 billion, the highest level in over 3 years, indicating a marked increase from previous years. Gross external reserves also increased to $40.19 billion compared to $33.22 billion at the close of 2023. Oil wells licenses that have failed to initiate drilling operations in the last 30 years risk losing such licenses. They will as well lose ownership of the facilities under the drill or drop provisions of the Petroleum Industry Act PIA 2021. The Minister of State for Petroleum Resources Oil, Senator Heineken Lokobori, who made this known while speaking at the Cross-Industry Group CIG meeting held in Florence, Italy, organized by international oil companies IOCs operating in Nigeria, said any proactive government will revoke the licenses for undeveloped assets and reallocate them to those willing and ready to drill them. Promoters and operators of entities engaged in Ponzi scheme are liable to a penalty of not less than 20 million naira or 10 years imprisonment or both. Chairman of the Senate Committee on Capital Markets, Senator Osita Ozinazo, who issued the warning in Abuja, cautioned that the era of fraudulent investment schemes and market manipulation is over, as the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) will now properly regulate cryptocurrency trading. President Bola Tinubu recently assented to the Investment and Securities Act ISA 2024. The new capital market laws officially classify cryptocurrencies and other virtual assets as securities for the first time as the government targets a $1 trillion economy.